True Jamaican vibes fire Reid, guys. So welcome to the channel. Yeah man, so today we're in Manchester in the Walderston area. Yeah man, just get a cup of soup. So we're up on the early morning journey. So I'm giving you a tour from the Walderston area. Go to Christiana. So you can keep on watching. Yeah man, so I don't know. And get a cup of soup on the journey, some cold skins. Yeah man, so you don't know. Jamaica nice, no matter what you say, Jamaica nice to fire Reid. One love and one heart, so keep into the video, get some soup and go on our journey again. So big up on yourself. True Jamaican vibes fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. My location is in Manchester, one place I'm calling him Walderston. Yeah man, so big up on yourself anywhere you now watch from. So it's about 11:37 AM in Walderston, Manchester. So if you know this area, just leave it in the comment section. See the sign here right on your left. So welcome to Walderston. Yeah man, so leave in the comment section if you like this area, if you know this area, if you would like to visit this area. So when you're reaching this area, if you make the right turn, it could take you out to Spalding's area. But I'm heading towards the Christiana area and I'm driving on B5 heading towards B4. And we all know Christiana is one of the coolest would say town area in Manchester parish, guys. So if you've been to Christiana before, you would experience it. I think this hill, them call it Pen Hill. Yeah man, them call it Pen Hill. You have a lot of accident in this area, in the Pen Hill area. So when you drive with care, remember to wear your seatbelt. It's very important. Safety is first. So I will not stop touring Jamaica, our beautiful island Jamaica, the land we love, natural beauty. Man, see the garbage man, them a clean up the place. They big up on yourself, the garbage collector, them one love and one heart. We don't keep Jamaica clean. Cause you have enough people who dump on the garbage man, them a say they want to do a garbage collecting work, but everybody cannot do the same thing. So we all have to big up all them workers there, you know. Can't dump on people like job you do for once you earn in a honest income. Big up on yourself. coming in the Walderston area. If you like on the cow skin soup with the okra, peanut, you can check out the soup area there. Yeah man, very very early morning vibes. If you don't drink no tea, you can get a cup of soup on your journey, because you know at times we wake up early in the morning, never get a chance to make any tea, but that's a very very nice area to have a nice cup of soup, which is your cow skin soup. If you love cow skin, you can check it out. On your left you have the Sholey housing scheme. So I think we're now in the Sholey area. On the Sholey area, on the main road in Sholey. When you're in the Sholey area, it's very close to the Christiana town. It's about 7 minutes drive to Christiana town. Very close, and it's about 20 minutes drive to Mandeville town area. Place can I look overcast and going to Christiana area, but you know them places are always cold still, so maybe that's the reason why it can look overcast to me. Hopefully when I reach in that area it's not raining. On your left, you have the Top Taste restaurant. Yeah man, so big up all the Top Taste people, them work and the workers, them big up yourself. If you made the right turn will take you out to Spalding's area, Mount Maria, Indian Town, them place there. On your left, I think you have a cool Oasis gas station. So if you need a gas, it's right there. So we're now in the Christiana area, which on your left, that is a Christiana primary and infant school. So we're in the Christiana area, heading towards Christiana town. Don't know what Christiana town look like at the moment, because you know every day something changes in Jamaica. So Savoy Crescent on your left. So we're in the Christiana town area, very close to the Christiana fire station. So the Christiana fire station is on your left. Big up all the firefighters, them, the police and the soldier. Big up on yourself. Man, so this is a Christiana town. Don't look too busy today. So you know you have a bypass. If you want to bypass the town area, you take at the stoplight, you go straight ahead. You don't have to make the right turn if you want to bypass the town area. Because you see when that town is full of traffic, full up crowd in the daytime, it's kind of very disturbing. So that's why you can use the bypass.
Just a moment. Call from Black Hood. Do you want to answer?
in the comment section and tell me what you think about Christiana town. That would be very, very just leave in the comment, man. Yeah, man, leave in the comment section. Let me know what I want. What you think about Christiana, because you know we need to interact and know what I want in Jamaica. Everybody have them different, every people have them different views of different areas. So leave in the comment section. Always remember the stoplight, you know. Enough people just run across the stoplight. Always remember the stoplight right here. If you make the left turn, will take you back to the Sholey area, bypass the town. So I'm making the right turn.
Straight on for 15 minutes to B5.
Them school bus here, full of colorful bus. I know the kids them supposed to love them colorful bus there. thank you all for watching the channel. Yeah man, so we're in the Bryce area. In the Bryce
500 meters. Make a U-turn.
In the Bryce area in Christiana. So this is nice, lovely church. Don't know if it's a Methodist, Adventist, Anglican church, but this is a very, very nice church right here. So this is the Bryce Primary School. So the kids are gonna play them sports there. Yeah man, so thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes for Reid.